Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome to your online computer class. Hope you all are well and safe at your home. Today we are continue about our chapter 4 formatting a documents. And in this chapter, today we are discuss about these following topics. After these topics I will give you a presentation. You have to make in your own presentation after using the all topics which are present in your chapter. Okay, clear? Okay, so let's start with our first topic, and the first topic is changing the color of the text. How can we change the color? First of all, everybody knows the MS Word provides an option to change the color of the text. For this, you have to select the text. After that, you can drop down the arrow next to the font color A. Here you can see that is called the font color A. With the help of this key, you can see the font color. There are so many font color are shown in on your screen. And after that you can select your desired color from the displayed font color menu, and then press the OK key and see the changes. Our next topic is changing the line spacing. The line spacing is the vertical distance between the successive lines of the text in a document. We can also increase or decrease the line spacing between a paragraph. For this, first of all, you have to choose the line spacing button. Here you can see. After that, you can select the desired option of line spacing. Here you can choose the different option you are desired from the drop down list, and then click on the OK here and notice the changes. Next is changing the bulleted or numbered list. For this, we can format list in a document by using the bullet and numbers. A bullet is a small graphic symbols that sets off an item in a list. To apply the bullets to the text, follow these steps. The first step is select the text and click on the bullet button. First of all, you have to click on the bullet button here. After that, you can select the bullet style. Here you can see the bullet style. Select the bullet style of your choice. Then you will find that the text is bulleted and the indents are automatically adjusted to the separate the text from the bullets here. Then after pressing the OK button, you can observe the changes. Next is applying border and shading. Means to improve the appearance and readability of the text, we can add a variety of border and shading effect to the paragraphs and entire pages. Here you can see here the border button. First of all, you have to select the text, then click on the border button. After that, you can press the border and shading button, then click on the box here. When you click on the box, then the screen be shown. Show there, see there, border and shading. In this box there are three options. First is border, second is base border, third is shading. Here are some more option for shading. Here is the line formats. With the help of this you can change the format of line. Here is the weights. After that you can go to the apply to and apply to section and select the paragraph option. Then click on the OK and observe the changes. Next is applying drop cap. In order to give a graceful look to your documents, apply the drop cap effect to the first letter of the paragraph. First of all, you have to select the word or letter. Click on the Insert tab and select the Drop Cap button in the text group here. Then define the parameter, this one, in the Drop Cap option. Then click on the OK button and after that you can observe the changes. So here we have to complete our chapter, and after that I am giving you a lab activity. Means you have to prepare a presentation in your own words after using these all effects in your presentation. Or you can say that you have to formatting a documents, or you can create and design the appealing documents by using these effects. I am showing you a presentation. There each and every points are used. Here you can see. In this option, this is the title of this page. Here you can see the color, you can see the effect. There are caps lock key is on, color, size. Here you can see the bullets, numbers, underline option, drop cap. So you have to prepare your own presentation after using these all effects. Okay, clear? That's all.